Asus ROG Ally X. To bring a pricey 1TB version, Asus will release the new ROG Ally X handheld console on June 2nd. The device will be a refresh of the first ROG Ally, with improved battery life, and likely a new USB-C port. The latest info from ex-leakster at Mr. Ryzen revealed it might also bring a variant with 1TB storage. More memory for games means a higher price, and the tipster claims the 1TB Asus ROG Ally X will cost $799, over 10% more than the current top-tier ROG Ally version with the Ryzen Z1 ROG Ally 2023 ROG Ally 2023. The new device is expected to have 16GB RAM and a more common M.2 2280 memory slot for easier upgradability. However, it should keep the 7 LCD with 120Hz refresh rate and 1080p resolution. Also, the Ally X will be sold in black, unlike the first Ally, which is only available in white. The basic Asus ROG Ally with Ryzen Z1 chip, 12GB RAM, and 256GB storage was launched for $600 in 2023. We expect it to remain on sale as a more affordable option for the upcoming Ally X, but we'll know all the details in 3 weeks once the console officially arrives.